Hello everyone. Welcome on developing your RShiny app GUI. In this section, we are going to take a look at why use RShiny, understanding what we need to build, and ultimately creating an RShiny GUI dashboard. Of course, in this section, we will be only looking at the user interface. Let's begin with the video. Understanding what we need to build. In this video, we are going to take a look at why RShiny, advantages of RShiny, and setting the problem statement for our example. So, what is RShiny? Let's go on their website. So, this is the website of RShiny. RShiny basically allows you to create these basic visualizations using R, which are extremely cheap. You can buy a RShiny hosting space, which is comparatively extremely cheaper as compared to any sort of visualization tool. That is the biggest advantage of RShiny. So Shiny is a R package that makes it easy to build interactive web pages straight from R. You can host standalone apps on a web page or embed them in a markdown. So it's really amazing how RShiny works. You can also check out few examples that people have made using RShiny. For example, this one. So this is basically a RShiny app embedded in a web page, and this is certain filters that they've provided, and all these visualizations are basically made in RShiny. So we are mainly using RShiny is because a lot of time, especially if you're going to be working in a corporate environment, you might not get your hands on a visualization tool like Tableau or ClickView or Microsoft Power BI for that sake. And in such a case, you would be forced to make a visualization. Now I'm sure that there is D3JS out there, but if you do not have time, you're not going to be learning D3JS within a day. So might as well make use of the language you already know, that is R, and make a nice, neat, shiny dashboard. Shiny dashboards are really good looking and they can be very appealing. Of course, we won't be building an extremely complex one. My main point is in these video series is to show you how to make a simple RShiny dashboard which you can reuse for further purposes. And the good part is no matter what you do in the background, the UI code can always be reused. So let's state the problem statement. Your manager has asked you to make some visualization on time series data for a company for a year. He needs you to make a basic visualization to show the clients or explain the prediction of time series visualizations. Your manager hates spending money and won't invest in any visualization tool. You have 3 days, so now what do you decide to do? In such a case where we don't have any visualization tool, it's a good idea to make use of R or RShiny. Because in R, we can also do the predictions as well as display the predictions via a simple graph. And especially if you can wrap it in something like this, it would look extremely neat.